Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my experience of using a pull-off mask. So basically, I have never used a pull-off mask before. Please do not judge me for that, but I have seen so many videos and people are like, just using pull-off mask and it looks so scary and exciting at the same time. So I just thought of trying one, but before trying, I thought of trying it with the most affordable one. So I am going to use here the Himalaya pull-off mask, which retails for just rupees 75. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so this is how my face is looking right now. There is something which is still there, the parts of peel off mask, and I think I need to wash it out now because for some reason it is not going through. I did try peeling it off in one go, but it was not possible. So I had to like try with small pieces, and let me see after a wash maybe, like I just clean it up and see like how it looks. It is almost gone. The only thing is like a little bit of it is still remaining. So let me just quickly wash it off. Okay, so now I have cleansed it with water. Actually, it was not going, but then I had to cleanse it with water. However, like personally, if you ask me, then I am quite satisfied with the results because it did claim to be like it gives moisturization, it turns and firms your skin, and it does that. So I can see the difference in my skin. So that was one thing. But if you ask me about the process, I was not very much satisfied with the process. I was disappointed because it did not turn out to be the way I expected it to be, or maybe the way I have seen in reviews, especially of Pilaf mask. Maybe because this is the other brand which I used, but Himalaya is also quite good in terms of results if you see. But I also wanted to enjoy the process. So let me know if you have tried this product and if you've been using this product, or maybe like it did turn out to be good for you, maybe it did not turn out for me. So do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, so till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.